Hey guys, welcome you all in Madan Seni Computer Classroom. Here I am with a new topic, that is storage devices of computer with this new video. So let's have a look. The definition is storage devices are those devices that is used for storing, porting and extracting all kinds of files in the computer. Next, types of storage devices. There are two types of storage devices on the temporary and fixed base. There are two types: internal storage devices and external storage devices. But not that. There is only one internal storage device, that is hard disk. Rest of all are external storage devices. First one, hard disk, that is only a internal storage devices. Let's have a look. Hard disk is a permanent storage device in computer. It is non-volatile storage medium that stores all the data including system files like operating system installed setup files. A hard disk retains data even if the computer power off. Now next one, external storage devices. Hard drive. First one, hard drive. Let's have a look. It is a plug and play hard drive, a portable hard disk. It is used to transfer large amount of data in terabyte from one computer to another computer. Even we can use it as data backup hard drive to save our large volume data for long time. Next one, floppy disk and floppy drive. Let's have a look. It is an all type of portable storage device. It can transfer small amount of data around 1.2 to 1.44 MB data from one computer to another computer. The floppy drive is used to read the floppy in the computer. There are two sizes floppies, 3.5 inches and 5.25 inches are available in market. You can see the indications of 3.5 inches support 1.2 MB data, and the next one 5.25 inches support 1.44 MB data. Next one, compact disk. In short, we can say CD. Let's have a look. CD is a circular in shape and diameter of circle is 4.7 inches or 120 millimeter. Compact discs are two types: compact disc readable and compact disc rewritable. As the name says, CD-R can save data once, and in CD-RW data can be erased and rewrite. Compact disc data storage capacity is up to 700 MB. Next one, CD-ROM-R and CD-ROM-RW. Let's have a look. CD-ROM drive is a device that helps to read the compact disc. There are two types of CD-ROM. First, CD-ROM-R, which enable only read the CD, and second one is CD-ROM-RW, which enable reading as well as writing or recording a compact disc. This device can be connected with CPU of computer. After that, we can use it. Next one, DVD, stand for digital versatile disc. Let's have a look. The definition is DVD is also in circular shape with the same diameter as CD. There are two types of DVD. First one, DVD-R, that is recordable ones, and another one is DVD-RW, which data is erasable and rewritable. Storage capacity of DVD is around 4.7 GB, and double-sided DVD or two-layer DVD can hold the data up to 17 GB. Next one, DVD-ROM-R and DVD-ROM-RW. It is also a drive for DVDs. This drive is also used to read and write the DVD. There are two types of DVD like DVD-R and DVD-RW, as we have CD-ROM drive. The DVD-R ROM drive is also provides support to read the CD, so we can use CD and DVD both in DVD-ROM to read them. Next one, BRD or Blu-ray disc, stand for Blu-ray disc. Let's have a look. Blu-ray disc is the latest circular storage disc. It stores large amount of data up to 50 to 200 GB with Blu-ray's optical technology. Its storage capacity is 5 times higher than a general DVD. It is also available in single layer 25 GB and dual layer support 50 GB. Next one, BRD-ROM R and BRD-ROM RW drive. Let's have a look. BRD-ROM drive is also available in two types. First one is readable for the BRD and another one is provide support for rewritable technology. Next one, memory card and card adapter. Let's have a look. Memory card is also known as memory stick. It is smaller than all the storage devices. It is used in the digital devices such as DigiCam, smartphone and tablet. It can be read by memory adapter in computer. We can insert memory card in adapter and can be plugged into the computer to read the data from memory card. Storage capacity is similar with pen drive or up to 128 GB. It is an extendable memory for palm top devices like a tablet and smartphone. You can see this is the memory card and this is adapter. Next one, pen drive, the last storage device of computer. Let's have a look. It is also known as flash drive. It is small and thumb shaped portable USB storage device. It has an electrically erasable memory which can be erased again and again, and we can copy and transfer the data from one computer to another computer easily by this device. Storage capacity of pen drive is around 128 GB. There is one more type of pen drive that support adapter and memory card to read them in the computer. Next one, let's see some USB cables that is mostly used. First one, OTG cable. Let's have a look. OTG stands for on the go cable, which is used to connect a pen drive with smartphone and tablet. We can easily copy data from mobile or palm top devices to pen drive by OTG cable. Next one, some more USB cables. Let's have a look. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. USB is the most common type of cable used in computers. It can be used to connect keyboards, mouse, game controllers, printers, scanners, DigiCam and removable media drives. It supports plug and play method in computers. There are 4 standard sizes in USB pin. First one is the micro USB, second one mini USB, third one USB 2.0 and fourth one USB 3.0. So that is all about storage devices of computer. I hope you like, and thank you all for watching this video, and please don't forget to like, comments and subscribe the channel, and please press the bell icon for the notification of new video.